So one of the mangas was brought, the manga that came today was brought in by my family member. So here it is. This is the one that came today. Another one will come tomorrow, and another one will probably come the next day. So this is the one that came today. Let's open it. So it has a Borders sticker on it. I took it off. I don't know what kind of store that is. It has also other stickers on it, which I'm going to take off. It does have some pits and scratches on it, but that's fine by me. I don't care. It is a used manga. I checked the pages and everything. It is in good condition overall. So overall the pages are in good condition, which as long as the pages are in good condition, then it's fine by me. As I said, Merupuri is an early 2000s release, which is, yes, rated T for T. Its first printing was June 2005. So yes, it's an early 2000s manga. So it's a Viz Media manga. So the same author of Vampire Knight, Merupuri. And I am really happy with my purchase. And it's by Discover Books from Amazon. Though it has these pits, a little bit of pits on the cover, I don't mind it. As long as the cover isn't totally damaged and the spine is okay, and that the pages are okay and not ripped and destroyed, I'm fine by it. I'm happy with my purchase. So yeah. I'm going to be reading this, and I will give a review, the first volume of this. So yeah.